Well, one of the things that's important when you're looking at service for your car is determining what type of service that it might need. It could need a very basic, simple repair. It could need something could be happening with a different component, a more major repair. And then also the other really important component is the maintenance of the vehicle that is recommended by the manufacturer. What we do is we prioritize by urgency. So in other words, immediate repairs we are going to recommend for immediate attention. If it's something that's wearing out but can be replaced in the future, we will mention that. And then the last category would be preventative maintenance. So another thing that you want to look for is for a shop that has ASE certifications. One of the really nice things and one of the important things about ASE certifications is that it really demonstrates that the facility cares about their employees and their development. So when it comes down to it, here at City Tire you can get the exact same service that you would expect from a dealership, but at a fraction of the cost.